What if I told you the next big thing in business could be sitting in your garage, hiding in your fridge, or just one click away from a global trend? From laser painting in your backyard to freeze-drying Skittles that sell out in hours. Today, we're diving deep into the most brilliant, unique, and profitable business ideas from around the world. Some require barely any investment, others are already going viral on TikTok, and all of them can turn into serious income streams. So grab a notebook, because one of these ideas could be your million-dollar breakthrough. 1. Star anti-stress tables. Let's start with a table that doesn't just sit in your room. It reacts to your presence. A creative entrepreneur crafted what he calls star anti-stress tables. He carved holes into wooden slabs, inserted fiber optics, connected them to light-reactive matrices, then sealed everything with epoxy resin. The result? A glowing, interactive, stress-relieving masterpiece. Perfect for cafes, homes, or art galleries, and you can price them as luxury furniture. With social media-worthy aesthetics, this can quickly become an Etsy bestseller. 2. Living storefront LED ads. Next up, storefronts that literally light up sales. Using silicone films embedded with LED screens, you can turn any window into a full-blown advertising platform. Buy these films for about $250 per square meter. Approach local businesses and offer them a week-long digital promotion. The results? Eye-popping visibility and instant foot traffic. This low-investment business combines tech and marketing, with huge potential for B2B growth. 3. Sofas in a bag. Imagine unpacking a full-size sofa from a duffel bag. Sounds wild, right? These compressed foam sofas expand when untacked and are not only space-saving but incredibly comfortable. Whether for tiny homes, campers, or college dorms, they sell like crazy through dropshipping. You don't need to store inventory. Just partner with a supplier, market on TikTok or Instagram, and watch your orders roll in. 4. Motorhome in 10 minutes. Then life just got an upgrade. Modular kits like those from Vancouver can turn any van into a motorhome in 10 minutes, complete with a kitchen, bed, and even a bathroom. Target weekend travelers or mobile workers, and offer different module configurations. You could start a business installing or customizing these kits, especially now that remote lifestyles are booming. 5. Juice on the spot machines. Here's a fresh idea. Literally, with a $200 orange juice mixer, you can turn any fruit into juice in front of the customer in just 30 seconds. It's a fun, healthy, and interactive experience, perfect for farmers markets, malls, or festivals. And with customization for other fruits, the potential is juicy. Pun intended. 6. Freeze-dried candy empire. This one's gone viral. Freeze-dried candy. Take your favorite snacks, Skittles and Miss gummy worms, freeze-dry them, and sell them online. People say the texture is addictive. TikTok videos of these treats often get millions of views, and product batches sell out fast. You can buy a freeze dryer for around $2,000, and the reward is insane. This is the definition of a viral product trend. 7. Floral blanket bouquets. A schoolgirl with a knitting hobby accidentally launched a viral business. She knitted blankets with floral edges that look like bouquets when folded. They're cozy, creative, and beautiful. The ultimate gift for birthdays or holidays. Now, she ships thousands of units. Low overhead, high creativity, and definitely an Instagram-friendly product. 8. Gigantic ice cream illusion. Some clever marketers in Asia found a way to make regular ice cream look huge by adding a second cone layer. It tricks the eye and turns heads. Customers love to snap pics, and social media handles the rest. It's a food business built on smart presentation, not ingredients. 9. Sand candles. Craftswomen in the US are making candles with a twist. Sand wax. It can be poured into any container and extinguishes automatically if tipped over. It's eco-friendly, customizable, and safe. Ideal for home decor and gifting. Sell the wax in jars or as DIY kits. This is eco-business with minimal investment. 10. Magic Rust Remover Liquid. Need to go viral. This product does just that. A liquid that removes rust, paint, or scale in minutes. Buy it cheap in bulk from China, repackage in small balls, make dramatic demo videos, and boom. Instant TikTok gold. Low cost, high profit, and in demand for dyers and renovators. 11. Ear cleaning headphones. This gadget is wild. It looks like a pair of headphones, but deep cleans your ears using micro-irrigation. People are shocked by what comes out and love sharing their reactions online. Great for affiliate sales or e-commerce dropshipping. 12. DIY Backyard Laser Art. One guy turned his backyard into a canvas using laser drawing machines. It's mesmerizing, it's modern art, and it's a unique service you can offer to events, weddings, or luxury clients. Plus, content from these machines gets tons of engagement on social media. 13. Japanese dessert jars straight from Japan. Okashi gaku desserts in jars. Colorful, layered sweets sold via vending machines or online, and they're wildly popular. You'll need jars, a sealing machine, and great design. Perfect for metro areas or online shipping. 14. Foldable hangers. Simple, but genius. Foldable hangers that save space. A young woman raised $500,000 from this idea alone. Cheap to manufacture, easy to ship, and solves a real problem. Sometimes simplicity scales best. 15. Surprise cash boxes. Want to gift cash creatively? These pop-up boxes launch dollar bills when opened, giving a fun surprise and making it social media worthy. Perfect for birthdays, graduations, weddings. It's the experience, not just the money. 16. Lightbulb plus fan combo. From China, a genius 2-inch-1 device, a fan built into a regular light bulb socket. Saves space, cools down a room, and fits anywhere. Comes with remote control and sells great on marketplaces like Amazon. 17. Lazy sofa. It's a beanbag, a mattress, a sofa. Yes, all in one. Frameless, lightweight, comfy. The lazy sofa unfolds into a full-size bed. Great for gamers, teens, and small apartments. Trendy, easy to ship, and visually viral. 18. Upcycled bottles. Turn trash into treasure. This woman counts, sands, and engraves old glass bottles, transforming them into glasses, candles, and decor. Great for eco-conscious consumers and markets like Etsy. 19. Kinetic stress bench. A bench that moves with your body, mimicking waves. It's relaxing, artistic, and great for hospitals, airports, or creative spaces. Both functional and therapeutic. 20. Everything in the fridge sandwiches. These viral sandwiches are blowing up on TikTok. Use leftovers, get creative, film it, and monetize through food blogs, pop-ups, or meal kits. A clever twist on a basic need. 21. Rail cut blocks. Ever need a heavy object to hold something down? These guys cut up old rails, paint them, and sell them as paperweights or home tools. Cheap materials, high perceived value. Genius. 22. Pet steam brushes. Every pet owner needs one. Steam brushes that clean mangroon animals quickly. Film yourself rescuing strays, grooming them, and post to social. The product markets itself. And there you have it. -22 genius business ideas that are blowing up globally. From eco-friendly crafts to high-tech-led storefronts, these are more than just ideas. They're opportunities waiting for someone like you to take the lead. Whether you're after low-investment businesses, want to ride the next viral product trend, or simply find a niche that matches your passion, this list is your ultimate launchpad. So tell us, which idea fired you up the most? Drop it in the comments and let's build a community of creators and entrepreneurs. If this video inspired you, smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe for more weekly drops from Profit Powerhouse, where your business dreams get the blueprint they need.